But chiropractors who use AI will replace the ones who don't. But I want to zoom in on something bigger than marketing. This isn't just about growth hacks or shiny new platforms. This is about your legacy. You didn't go through school, long nights, board exams, CE credits, and practice building headaches just to be buried under a pile of should-haves. You're still in this profession because you care about people, because you believe in healing, because you know that the nervous system is the getaway to potential. But here's the hard truth. Even the best chiropractor, the best healer conduit, I call you guys, can be overlooked if one knows where to find your competitor. Or even the best chiropractor can be overlooked if no one knows where to find them. And that's what AI is doing. It's not here to replace you. It's here to decide who gets seen first. And unless you're feeding it the right signals, your stories, your reviews, your expertise, it will default to someone else. The patient you're meant to help might never find you. Not because you weren't good enough, but because the algorithm didn't know your name. You need to be willing to take the same energy you put into mastering the adjustment and apply it to being discovered. Because AI knows your name. But you need to bring it to the forefront. And when AI knows your name in that way, it doesn't just help you. It helps the people still out there searching for answers you already have. AI is just the amplifier. It's the megaphone, the digital chiropractic assistant that never sleeps, the behind-the-scenes engine that keeps you showing up where people need you the most. Start scared if you have to, but start. AI won't replace chiropractors. I know you know that. But chiropractors who use AI will replace the ones who don't. Make sure the future knows your name, knows your brand, knows who you are, because the world needs your care. And if we get this right, you won't just grow your practice, you'll help more people than ever before. And that's the real win.